This SUV might be the smartest luxury purchase you make this year, or the biggest mistake. Because what you're looking at right now isn't just another big American SUV. This is a redesigned Cadillac Escalade. And in 2026, it's playing a completely different game. This isn't about size anymore. It's about presence, power, and pure status. The Escalade has always been iconic, but this new version, it's sharper, darker, and way more aggressive. Cadillac didn't just refresh it, they redefined it. Look at that front end. That massive blacked-out grille doesn't just sit there, it dominates. Those vertical LED lights slice through the air like blades. Every angle feels intentional. Every line screams confidence. And when this thing pulls up, people notice. The stance is wide. The wheels are massive. The body looks planted, like it owns a road before it even moves. This isn't subtle luxury. This is bold, unapologetic presence. Now step inside and everything changes. Because the moment you open that door, you leave the outside world behind. This is where Cadillac reminds everyone why it's still a luxury king. You're surrounded by premium leather, real wood, and ambient lighting that feels more like a private jet than an SUV. And then the screens. A massive curved display stretches across the dashboard. It's clean, it's futuristic, and it actually feels useful, not overwhelming. Navigation, media, camera views, everything is right where you expect it. The seats, soft, supportive, and built for long drives. Heated, ventilated, massaging. Even the second and third rows feel like first class. And the sound system? It doesn't just play music. It surrounds you. This is not just a car interior. This is an experience. But let's talk about what really matters when you press the pedal. Because luxury means nothing if it feels slow. Under the hood, the Escalade brings serious muscle. You've got a powerful V8 engine pushing out strong horsepower. And when you accelerate, it moves. Not like a sports car, but like a heavyweight that knows exactly what it's doing. Smooth, controlled, effortless. On the highway, it glides. In the city, it feels surprisingly manageable for its size. And with features like adaptive suspension and advanced driver assistance, the ride stays calm, even when the road isn't. This isn't just about speed. It's about confidence behind the wheel. Now let's get real. Because if you're thinking about buying this, you're not just buying a car. You're making a financial decision. So is it worth it? If you want presence, yes. If you want comfort, absolutely. If you want a vehicle that makes every drive feel important, this delivers. This is perfect for families who want space without sacrificing luxury. Perfect for business owners who want to show success without saying a word. Perfect for road trips, daily driving, and everything in between. But it's not for everyone. If you're looking for something small, fuel efficient, or easy to park, this isn't your SUV. If you care more about sporty handling than comfort, you might want to look elsewhere. And compared to competitors, against something like a Range Rover, the Escalade gives you more space and a stronger road presence. Against German rivals, it often feels more relaxed, more comfortable, more American. It doesn't try to be the fastest. It tries to be the most complete. Now let's talk ownership, because this is where things get serious. Fuel economy? Let's be honest, it's not great. You're driving a full-size luxury SUV with a big engine. You will feel it at the pump. Maintenance? Premium vehicle means premium costs. Service won't be cheap, but that's expected in this class. Reliability? Cadillac has improved a lot over the years, and the Escalade is more solid than people think. And resale value? This is where it gets interesting. The Escalade holds its value better than many luxury SUVs. Why? Because demand is always there. People want this badge. People recognize this name. So while you pay more up front, you don't lose as much later. And that matters. So here's the final verdict. If you want a luxury SUV that feels powerful, looks expensive, and delivers real comfort, buy it. If you want something flashy but also practical for daily life, buy it. But if your priority is saving money on fuel or squeezing into tight parking spots, skip it. This SUV doesn't try to please everyone. It's built for people who know exactly what they want. And if that's you, this might be the perfect choice. Now here's the real question. Would you spend your money on this? Or choose something else in this price range? Drop your answer below. because your decision might help someone else make the right one.